Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Salesforce CLI with VSCode. First, ensure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your system. Next, download and install the Salesforce Command Line Interface, or CLI, which is essential for interacting with your Salesforce orgs. Finally, open VSCode and install the Salesforce Extension Pack from the Extensions Marketplace. This pack provides many helpful tools for Salesforce development, making your workflow much smoother. Now, let's set up your project. Open the command palette in VSCode and create a new Salesforce DX project. This establishes the necessary folder structure. Then, use the Salesforce CLI to authorize your development or production Salesforce org. You will be prompted to log in through your browser. Remember to give your org a memorable alias like dev.org or sandbox1 for quick access in future commands. With your project and org connected, you can now manage metadata. To pull existing code, retrieve metadata components from your authorized Salesforce org directly into your local project folder. After making changes, you can deploy your updated code and configurations back to the org. Use manifest files, such as the package.xml, to specify exactly which components you want to retrieve or deploy, ensuring precise control over your development. Finally, enhance your development process. You can run any Salesforce CLI command directly from the integrated terminal in VSCode, saving you time. For troubleshooting, the Apex debugger allows you to step through your Apex code, inspect variables, and identify issues quickly. These powerful integrations provide a seamless and highly productive environment for building and maintaining your Salesforce applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.